In this video, I'm going to show you several practical Excel find and replace techniques. Many of these are small details that are easy to overlook, but they can make a big difference in your daily work. Let's start with a very common scenario. If you want to find all cells that contain New York, it's very simple. Press Ctrl and F to open the Find and Replace dialog box, then type New York, and Excel will return all matching results. Now here's where problems usually happen. If you want to replace New York with New York City, and you click Replace All directly, entries like New York Project or New York Client will also be changed. That's clearly not what we want. To fix this, open the options and check Match Entire Cell Contents. This ensures that only cells that exactly equal New York are replaced, while everything else remains unchanged. Next, let's look at how to use wildcards. If you want to find or replace content that starts with order, you can type order followed by an asterisk. If you want to match content that ends with order, type an asterisk followed by order. You can also use *B to match text that starts with A and ends with B, with anything in between. Here's an important point. Make sure you enable Match Entire Cell Contents. Otherwise, Excel will match any part of the cell that fits the pattern. In other words, if you are trying to find values that start with order, you may end up matching cells that simply contain that pattern. This is where many people get incorrect results. If you want to find data with a specific length, you can use question marks to control the number of characters. For example, entering 6 question marks means you are looking for cells that contain exactly 6 characters. If you uncheck Match Entire Cell Contents, you'll notice something interesting. You can now match any cell that contains a sequence of 6 characters. In other words, cells with 6 or more characters can also be matched. You can also combine asterisks and question marks. For example, if you want to find cells that start with ABC and have a total length of 6 characters, you can type ABC followed by 3 question marks and make sure Match Entire Cell Contents is enabled. This way, only values that start with ABC and are exactly 6 characters long will be matched. Another practical scenario. When you copy data from websites or other systems, it often contains line breaks. To remove them, press Ctrl and H to open Find and Replace. In the Find What field, press Ctrl and J to enter a line break. Enter a space in the Replace With field. Then click Replace All. This will remove all line breaks instantly. You can use the same method to clean up underscores, extra spaces, or other unwanted characters. By default, Excel's find function is not case sensitive. For example, US and US are treated as the same during a search. To fix this, simply enable Match Case in the options. This allows you to perform accurate, case-sensitive searches and replacements. Although Excel's built-in Find and Replace is already very powerful, there are still some advanced requirements it cannot handle. For example, finding cells that do not contain specific text, or filtering data based on text length. In these cases, you can use QTools. After installing QTools, go to the QTools tab. Click Find. Then choose Superfind. A panel will appear on the right side, where you can define multiple search conditions. For example, you can find cells that do not contain certain text. Filter by character length ranges. Or even search based on date conditions such as weekends. You can also apply numeric conditions to refine your search.